Hi, my name's Dylan. I was originally born in Vancouver, British Columbia, but grew up in the States. Found out about the Whistler Adventure School through a friend at the mountain bike park and gave them a call and really wanted to move up here, and it was kind of the first thing that brought me up here. I'm doing the mountain technician program and the mountain sports technician program, and the first course I took was this course at Profile with Derek. After the course, it got me a job here at Profile, which was great because it got me into the community. I meet more people coming through the shops, building connections, and yeah, I've been out here a year and a half. I'm just finishing up the course. I got my bike mechanics course starting in the spring. I was supposed to take it last year, but broke my wrist the day before the course, so I'm excited for it this year, and hopefully we'll get a job as a bike mechanic this summer. Yeah, Whistler Adventure School has been good and definitely recommend it if you're looking to get into the fields that you want to do in these sports. It's a great place to start out. Everything happens in Whistler. There's professional athletes everywhere. You never know who you're going to meet next. And I felt like this was a great way to just open that door to that world.